friends are ready to take a bath. So we're lining up for their turns.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! So Zeri gonna bath them and
Yep.
she's ready to take a bath as well.
Yep.
Okay, now let's turn on the water.
Turn on the water.
Look. Okay. And we're gonna pour bubbles on them. Look at the friends. Hi friends, are you ready to take a bath?
Yep.
Are you ready? Okay, let's pour some bubbles.
And then you shake it. And then you shake it, right?
There it goes. So we're gonna make a bubble.
And pink. I'll pour it pink because it's my favorite color. I'll pour it. No, I'll pour it. Whoa.
Okay, not that much.
Yeah, not that much.
Okay, there you go. And they're making bubbles. Got them ready for the friends.
Mommy, maybe we could put this in the water.
So we have dots. We have tiger, elephant, polar bear, deer, tiger, lion, zebra, cheetah, and we have giraffe, and all these unicorns, and all these dino friends. They're ready to take a bath. Look at their bath. It's bubbling up.
Mommy, I think we have another unicorn.
Okay. Look, some more unicorns. We have so much toys here.
Look, and there's even a turtle.
Oh, you
And
want a turtle to
trap.
take a bath too?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Just put them.
Turtle.
Just put
A
it there.
turtle.
The turtle needs to fall in line.
Ah!
Oh, the turtle needs to fall in line. It's not ready to take a bath yet.
Look, Mommy, we made a big nest. The turtle already fell in the bath.
Ooh, the water is hot. We need to adjust the water. It will not be hot for the friends. Look at the water. Okay, now we start with the friend duck with a colorful hat, like a rainbow hat. Are you ready, Ducky? Yay! Take a plunge! Woo! And then there's a baby duck. Look at the baby duck. Take a plunge! Woo!
Ready?
And
Yeah.
then there's a daddy duck with a black hat. Take a plunge! Woo! And there's a mommy
I
duck.
will help you.
Take a plunge! Woo!
I'm ready.
And then there's a princess duck. Whee! Take a plunge! Whoop! And then it's time for the... What is this? Not yet.
Tiger.
Tiger! Take a plunge! Yay! And then next is the elephant! Whee!
Yay.
And then there's a polar bear! Whee! What is this, Nat?
A reindeer?
It's
I mean a deer?
It's a deer! Take a plunge! Whee! Out of the fall! Woo! And then there's there's a giraffe. Not yet, not yet. Because I'm gonna take a video of those. And then there's a giraffe. Whee!
Can I help you?
And then there's...
I want to help
Yeah. Here.
you.
What is that? What animal is that?
A lion.
Use your other hand. There's a lion. Take a plunge, lion. Woo!
Rhino.
And then use the other hand.
Oh.
There's a rhino. Take a plunge, rhino. Yay! And the next is
Zebra.
the zebra. Take a plunge, zebra. Woo! And the next is
Cheetah.
cheetah. Woo! Cheetah. Come on, cheetah. Let go of the cheetah. Whee! There you go. The cheetah's right there. On the bubbles. And that rainbow. Oh, what is that? The unicorn.
The pink.
Pink unicorn. Take a plunge, unicorn. Yay!
It's
There
floating.
it is. It's floating. Oh, yay! It's right there.
A purple unicorn.
And then another purple unicorn.
And another pink unicorn.
Another pink unicorn. Yay! And it's all bubbled up. Whee! And then not yet. Then the next are the Friends dinos. Look at them, they're lining up. Okay, starts with the purple dino. Use your other hand. Use your other hand. Use your other hand. Use your other hand. And whoo! This is a big dino. Not slowly. Here, slowly. Dino. Woo! It's slowly neck. Whee! All there in the bathtub. Woo! Now they're swimming. They're swimming in the water. Swimming, swimming, swimming.
Look my hand.
Swimming
Look at my hand.
the
My
water.
hand. It's so bubbly.
It's swimming in the water. Swimming, swimming, swimming.
It's perfect for me to get
Yay.
it, right?
Not yet, it's still cold. And then there's a ball with different colors. There's a ball.
And there's some bubbles right
And
here.
there's a lot of bubbles in
In
the
my hand.
bathtub. And then there's a boat.
That's not a boat.
Oh, there's a lot of bubbles. Ooh.
And it's gonna sing.
Oh, I gotta sing. No. You're not gonna sing. I want to. Say hi to the bubbles. Oh, there's a big foot of a giant baby. There's a big foot of a giant baby. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna sing because there's a big foot messing up with me. Oh no. I don't wanna get sick. I don't wanna help friends. Help me. And then there's a purple dino. It's helping the boat to survive. Wait. There's a... Look! Help me! Help!
You can't do anything.
Yeah, they're helping me. Now I'm already saved. I'm already saved. I'm here. Whee! Oh no! No! I sunk! No! Oh, I'm floating again. Hang on. I'm sinking again. Oh my god! Oh no, this giant baby is such a delay. Oh no!
Too much water.
And the water is so falling. I wanna take a shower.
Outside.
I wanna take a shower here. Oh, I feel so good. I feel so good
That's
taking a
hot.
shower.
That's hot.
Me too, me too. Me too, I wanna try that. Oh, me too, me too. Oh, you need to take turns. Me too, me too. much fun. Take a bath. It's so much water.
Look, guys. Look, guys.
Look, guys.
Bounce,
Bounce, bounce, bounce, bounce. Which is bouncing. And there are here. Taking a bath with the bubbles.
Look, guys.
Take a bath with bubbles.
Look, guys. Look, guys.
Look at her. Look at her. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's time. No more falls. It's time for you to take a bath.
Ooh, that's so much water.
Yeah, it's so much water. They love it.
That's enough of
I have so much bubbles on me. I have so much. Oh my gosh, there's a giant feet. Oh no. Can I ride on a giant feet? I want to ride on a giant feet. How about me? I want to ride on a giant feet too.
It's too
Yeah,
heavy.
sure.
Only one person at a
How
time.
about me? Oh my gosh. I want to ride on a giant feet too.
Only one at a time.
Oh no, it's so heavy on me. I'm gonna...
Only one at a time.
Oh my goodness, these are giant feet. Oh my gosh. Boy, I want to ride again.
Okay.
Wow, it's so much fun.
It's gonna go up all the way
So
to
much fun riding on a feet. Oh no. How about me? I want to ride
to
too.
the top.
Is she done? Is she done?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Okay, now you're done. And then she
Only
is
one
done
person-
too. Oh no! What happened to her? You silly baby.
Look, there's Gatta's thing. Look.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you need to take them out because they're gonna die. They cannot breathe inside the
I
water.
have an idea.
Or under the water. They
I have
cannot
an
breathe.
idea. Let's put them here.
Okay, you want to put them in the ship?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This can't fit in the ship.
Oh my gosh! Turn over. Oh no!
I'm gonna help
Hi.
you. I'm gonna help you.
Okay. Nice.
Giraffe.
And the giraffe too? Oh my god.
It's gonna be too heavy for this boat.
Okay.
Oh